Hello again and welcome back. My name is Gabby. I'm the English teacher at Options for Youth Moreno Valley. If you are here, that means you are pretty much done with English 11. Congrats! So the last piece is this, the alternative assessment or review. So first things first, it's the same format as all the rest of them, so you should be familiar with it. This is vocabulary, it's 3 points each. You get a point for your own definition of the word, not something you stole. 1 synonym, a word that means the same thing. And you have to use it correctly in a sentence. A sentence that is a worthwhile sentence, a meaningful sentence, and not the word adamant doesn't mean table. That doesn't count, okay? So for number 1, it's adamant. 2, ameliorate. 3, appease. 4, digress. 5, furtive. 6, impassive. 7, laconic. 8, mundane. 9, obtuse. 10, superficial. The next one, you have to write your own example of the following. So passive voice versus active voice. If you listened to me at the beginning of Unit 10, I went over that. Pronoun antecedent agreement, I did that at the beginning of Unit 10 as well. Parallel structure, same thing. Commas and how to use it. And then capitalization rules. So you just have to give me examples on how to use those. And then for 16 through 20? Yeah, 20. You have to give me an explanation, so a definition, and give me examples. Remember, examples means 2, right? Because it's more than 1. So 16, works cited. 17, components of a plot or a story arc. 18, characterization. 19, purpose of irony. And then 20, exposition. And then these are the writing points. These are worth the most at 5 points each. Number 21, what are some themes that are present in the crucible? Remember, a theme is a lesson learned. A theme is not a motif. It's not a, so it's not one word. It's not a cliche, so it's not bad guys never prosper, or good guys finish last, or, you know, any of those things that you've heard 1,000 times. 22, when reading a text, how can you identify assumptions in an author's or speaker's argument? And then if you do that, you're done. Done with all of English 11. So if you need any help with this, feel free to reach out, create an extra appointment with me, anything like that. And I will hopefully see you again for English 12 if I'm doing that again next semester. Who knows?